Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to disable notifications for OneDrive desktop application. Now let us begin. As you can see, I have already installed the application and logged into my account. If you have not, do it right now. If you don't know how to, we have created a video regarding that as well. Now let's simply try to disable notifications. In the application, at the top right, you will see a button like this that is called as Settings. Click on it right now. Then you will be redirected to this page. From here, as you can see, lots and lots of options. But right now, what we want to do is simply go to Settings. It's the very first option. Once you go to Settings, as you can see, lots and lots of options. At the left corner, you will see these 4 icons, namely Sync and Backup, Account, and the thing we're looking for, Notification. Simply click on it right now. From this section, simply toggle off all these buttons. I'm gonna do it right now. And guys, this is it. This is how you disable notifications for OneDrive desktop application. It is quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.